killing it. Alright. Oh, that's genuinely amazing. Should have known I couldn't make that jump, but whatever. Hey man, good news. You're not gonna believe it.
Make it. You better go on without me.
I'm sorry. Help is maybe on the way. I'm not quite sure. I thought I was the help, but obviously it's not true. Alright. Ramming speed. True power. Okay. Oh no.
Freeman, I've been
Thanks.
waiting for you. One of your scientist pals said to give you a message. You're supposed to take this old rail system up to some kind of satellite delivery rocket. I don't know where it is exactly, and the old guy was so worried about getting out of here alive, he didn't tell me. Main thing is, the military aborted the launch, so when you do find the rocket, you'll have to get up to the control room and launch it yourself. He said something about a Lambda team needing the satellite in orbit if they were ever going to clean up this mess.
I hope you heard that. But basically, this guy just gave me a message from my scientist buddies telling me I have to go launch a satellite for the Lambda team. Cool. Don't put me on a barnacle. Anyway, this is the worst. This is the worst real segment of the game. Don't touch the water. Because if you're asking yourself what this game needed, the answer definitely was not a on-rail segment where I have to choose pass and then leave and come back and leave and come back and blah, blah, blah. This place, as you can see, is just a network of trailing tracks. Now I have to I have to shoot those things. Go. To go these ways. Are you serious? But the fun part is I don't think I can touch that rail because it'll electrocute me. So let's do one of these. So that's called a science field trip. That's cool. It sucked if you lost to them. I mean, come on. There's a hey, it's the rocket. Oh, this is not gonna go. It's not going well. Ooh. It's fine. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna keep going. It's just faster. Takes me right back to where I was going anyway. It's like I meant to do it. This time I know where the danger is. Just gonna leave those. I'll come back later. I knew it. I was just about to say I swore I heard a head crab. Damn it. God, the military does not perform well against you. I have armor. Grenades. And most important weapon of all, C4. I think I'm supposed to use you. No, I'm not. I just can't get through here. That makes sense. I really hope I don't need that C4 for something else. Are they infinite in this room? Nope. Everything has an end. Alright. I don't know that we learned anything from here, but we press on. That's the fun part about the segment, is I don't remember exactly how to do it. So we'll take that armor though. Yep, see, it'll electrocute me. Cool. So I'm pretty sure I have to go to that one spot. Also, for the record, this is as fast as this thing goes. Because, God forbid. So that goes across to here. Fuck. How do I get it on this thing? How do I get it on this path? Oh, I get it. I gotta go straight and loop around. See? I'm learning. Maybe. Unless this is the way I came, in which case I'm not learning anything. Learning down the doofus. Oh! I just want that health so badly. Can I make this jump? Haha, it was a thing I could do. Alright. I'm gonna leave those there. I don't see anything else I can take. So the journey presses on. Here's that intersection that we were just at, where I was like, how do I get over here? The answer was simple. I just didn't want it to be. You might not yet, but I need you to slowly understand why this segment is terrible. Kobe. That's better. Alright. Is that really full? So then, now that's out of my path. Isn't that neat? So now, I get back on this. And we press on. I don't remember where we rejoined. Oh, that's nice that it's right here. Thank God. Don't you love this? Oh! Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I'm so fucked. Yeah, okay, that's fine. I know what I'm doing now. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do it this way. Or is that it's called safety? Would have been cool if I nailed that jump though, eh? No. I hate this segment. What the fuck did I get caught on? No. That's not nice. Are you shitting me? Get. Are you serious? Get in. Wow. This game doesn't like me. This game really does not like me. Not having a career day. I shot first. I can't believe I made that shot. Okay. I can't get their ammo though. So the journey continues. Health pack. There's more naughty people. How many more of you? Oh. Alright, I'm gonna give you the old Dirty Dan. You were a coward. Somebody over there doing CQC? Huh? There's a turret. Where is it? Where's the turret? I heard it. What the fuck is going on? shame. Where did I leave the fucking cart? I don't even remember. I know I need it, is the only problem. Okay, so I didn't leave it this way. Or did I? I don't know. See, I lost track of it. This is a common theme. Did that guy? Oh. Oh, that was so cheating what I just did. Oh no. Oh no. No! I'm glitched into place. You can hear me. I can't move. Where's... I mean, this will probably put me there anyway, right? Oh, this will test the theory. Can I hold it long enough for it to explode in my hand? It seems the answer is no. Okay, I learned my lesson though. This is obviously the way to progress. I got stuck again. Alright, that's obviously the way to progress, but I'm gonna back off, go get my cart. Because, you know, kinda need it. Is it even possible to track down where it was? It's right there, isn't it? Yeah. Wow. Did I get both sides? I think it did. Hey, you guys. And you had armor for me. That's so nice. I'm like having more armor than health. Can I jump this? Ooh. We out here. I have a lot of ammo, I'm just realizing. Which, I mean, works out, but, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna have this out because I know there's that part coming up where those bad boys are. I'm not looking forward to it. I don't think I was supposed to clear as much as I did is the problem. So I can't progress. I should have let them. I'm just gonna let you hang out for a sec, bud. Keep it that way. Oh! Bro, if I die right in front of the health, I would be furious. Cool. Aw. Damn. I feel like there's something up there. Okay, there's enemies that way. Hey.
I'll be happy to survive this parts.
Yeah, me too, buddy. What do you got there? You wanna come with?
Okay, I'll cover you.
Sick. Could use your help here. Oh! Alright, we gotta move. That is not... How am I supposed to fight that? Surrender Freeman. What am I supposed to do against that? Serious, asking for a friend. I like this. I like getting rewarded for exploration. Did that work? I don't think it did. That worked. Okay. I don't know.
An ambush. We better be careful.
I think I already took care of the ambush. I feel like there's another ambush though, which is unfortunate. Come on, man. I don't know how to progress. How do I get through there? Did I miss something? No. There's gotta be something this way. Some path that I foolishly denied. Killed you. I feel like I'm not supposed to be able to go through here yet. What? Okay. This is the rocket. Now I'm gonna launch later. So that's pretty cool. Oh, that's right, I got a new cart. Isn't that great? Just when I started missing the old one that I had so many good memories with, they decided to bless me with this one. Isn't that great? Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Oh, and I left the cart running. Oh no. That one's okay though. I cannot believe that worked out for me. It's like I planned it. Pro tip, didn't plan that. Oh! So they get rocket launchers. I hate everything. That was really loud. God, I hope I fixed the audio for this one. You're... wow. Nice spelling. Oh! I got bamboozled. Nice spray can too. Good touch. Wow, it's literally... You were here too, huh? Cannot believe I fell for that. I'm I'm so dumb. Okay. Actually, we just learned something. Save the fucking video game. Alright, what's around this corner? What fresh hell awaits me? Oh, that's right! Alright.